Alright guys, how you guys doing today, man? We don't come back again. This one are very good news concerning Natasha. Some of them say, Natasha matter left, Natasha matter right. Yes, it's everywhere. Yes, we are showing concerns because we are fighting for the prospective women that might likely fall, into this kind of satanism, of sexual harassment. We are not accusing anybody, upon say she submit a sexual harassment case. Nobody want to investigate it. They didn't end there. They went all the way to put people together, to call her back home, which is called a recall. Remember, I said, don't carry this, Ghana must go. About 4 or 5 of them, that go take train and take carry and go INEC. Make INEC recall Natasha back home, not to be senator anymore, to declare a seat vacant. But the good news now be say, INEC don't reject her. My people, INEC reject her. You know why? Normally the process, now I want to listen to so. If now 3,000 people, they call her back, you know if that 3,000 people, all of them will get their phone numbers, they will get their addresses and everything there. Even their NIN number, everything needs to be there. Guess what? All the 10,000 people or 20,000 people, or how many people when they put together, now only one phone number, the all application, allegedly. And then say, what is this one now? What is something matter, BO? What is happening here? They reject everything. But let me take you through the process, how it did work. Listen to this from ANALYSE.
The recall process in Nigeria has in times past been described as a Herculean process due to the stringent steps to recall a federal lawmaker. Section 69 of the 1999 Constitution as amended and the Independent National Electoral Commission's 2024 Guidelines for Recall outlines the procedure. The recall process begins when over 50% of registered voters in the senator's constituency sign a petition which must have clear contact information for all petitioners, including their addresses, multiple phone numbers, and email addresses. The petitioners must also submit a certified true copy of the total number of registered voters in the constituency to ensure the authenticity of the signatures. When the petition is submitted, INEC cross-checks the petition to confirm the authenticity of the signatures. If successful, a verification exercise is conducted at polling units where only the signatories to the petition confirm their intent. If the verification passes, a referendum is scheduled within 90 days, allowing all registered voters in the constituency to vote either yes or no to the recall. For the recall to succeed, more than 50% of registered voters must vote yes. If this threshold is met, INEC will then issue a certificate of recall to the Senate President, who is then legally required to declare the senator's seat vacant, triggering a by-election. In the case of Senator Natasha Akpabio-Led's recall petition, INEC has noted key issues. The petitioners only provided a vague address and included only one phone number instead of multiple contact details as required. The Commission says they did not submit a certified true copy of the registered voters from INEC, which is critical for verifying the signatures of voters in Kogi Central Senatorial District. INEC's National Commissioner and Chairman of the Information and Voter Education Committee, Sam Olumekun, in a statement, stressed that the recall process must strictly follow the Constitution and INEC's 2024 recall guidelines for it to be successful. Olumekun assures the public that if the petitioners correct these flaws, INEC will proceed with verifying the signatures at polling units using the bimodal voter accreditation system. Both petitioners and the senator will then be allowed to send representatives to observe the process alongside accredited journalists and independent observers. While no senator in Nigeria has ever been successfully recalled due to the high legal thresholds and political challenges involved, the process remains a key constitutional mechanism for holding lawmakers accountable. Somi Maduagu, Arise News.
You see, this is a good news. Although INEC can never be trusted. But when they still do something right for now, just still talk am IB. You understand? So that recall will likely not stand. Because at the moment, now they don't reject them. May they go put phone number for all of them. Most see how they want to go gather 10,000 phone numbers, different phone numbers, register to the same people, the same names, where he signed that satanic record. What do I know? Now our duty to carry a code given as we take here. Leave your own opinion on the comment section. Let me read it and let's take it from there. Join us every day, 7 p.m. on NAIJA Watch Media. Let's talk about the things that's affecting us every day. We are here. We are here 7 p.m. every day, 365 days in a year. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you guys again shortly. Take care and bye for now.